doing a get ready with me slash get to know me tag. I guess that's what y'all call it. So without further ado, let's get into. I'm going to class. I'm getting ready to go to class in a little bit, and I'm about to do my makeup and get ready with y'all. Show y'all how, get fun or whatever. First question says, where did you grow up? Where did I grow up? I was born in West Palm Beach, Florida. We moved to Orlando when I was, let's see, how old was I in 2006? I don't know, like 6 or 7, around that time, because I remember I was like in the 2nd grade or something. So, yeah, so I spent like a few years in West Palm Beach, and then I moved to Orlando, Florida. Was living in Orlando, Florida my entire life until college. So, yeah. Next question says, where do you currently live? I currently am back and forth home in college. So right now I live in Savannah, Georgia. And I go to Scad. Okay, yeah, so I go to Scad. So right now I live in Savannah. I spent some time in Atlanta, Georgia. I spent my first year of college in Atlanta, but I didn't too much like it. So this is what I use for my eyebrows. I used to use, I can't remember the name. I don't know if it was Maybelline. It was a Maybelline brand. It was the best, like when I tell you the best pencil, I don't use, dip brow or any of that. I don't like it, so I like to use pencils. They're the best to me. I don't care what nobody says. They're the best to me, as long as you find a good pencil. It can't be a cheap pencil. Like, this is a very good pencil. CoverGirl Perfect Blend, the best. Okay, let me tell you, I used to use Maybelline, but they discontinued the pencil, and I'm still trying to figure out why, because it was like the best things ever. But whatever. How tall am I? Oh my god. I'm 5'2" and a half. I've been 5'2" since 5th grade. And I am a junior in college, so y'all tell me what that means, whatever. Anyways, dogs or cats? Dogs, definitely dogs. We actually, me and my family, we actually just got a dog. He's so freaking cute. Oh my god. His name is Junie for now. Funniest moment throughout high school. I really don't have any. I seriously do not have any, like, throughout high school. I was trying to be cute and grown, okay? But that's a story for another day. Let me tell y'all. Yeah, so I don't think I have a funniest moment throughout high school, because I just don't. Or at least I can't think of one. Maybe if like my people who I went to high school with are watching this, they can remind me of like a funny moment I had with them or something. Like, comment below and let me know of a funny moment I had with them. But yeah, I can't recall of any. Next question says, where were you born? What year were you born? Sorry. I was born in 1999. So I'm like the last of the 90s babies. But yeah. March 25th, don't forget it. But yeah, 1999. Are you in / have you gone to college? I am in college. I already told y'all. Oh my god, I'm looking crazy right now. I'm gonna get right. Okay. But yes, I am in college. I said I currently go to Scad. I'm at the main campus, Scad Savannah. And yeah, I'm practically almost done. Right now I'm taking summer classes because I want to get out of the school so bad. Like, I just want my life to hurry up and start. Like, I'm so tired of school. I can't stress that enough. But yeah, so I go to Scad. My major is fashion design. My minor currently is fibers, but I'm thinking about changing it to like either business or menswear so that I can learn either the side of business. And I also want to learn like how men's sizes work and things like that for my business. But yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. Next question says, what is your favorite drink? Water. You asked me that a year ago, I probably would have said sweet tea. All jokes aside. I got it right here. I have one behind me. Like, I don't really drink juice like that anymore. The only juice I drink is cranberry juice. Now, if you want to ask me what's a sugar drink you like, definitely cranberry juice. But it has to be 100% cranberry juice because I will not drink that fake stuff. I love cranberry juice. Anybody who knows me will tell you I love cranberry juice. Next question says tea or coffee. I love coffee, guys. I freaking love coffee. I don't think that was part of the see that? But what are your life goals? Next question. This is to see my company prosper. Let's just say that. Yeah. And I mean prosper in like every aspect, like regarding clientele, regarding profit, regarding you know, just everything. Like, hopefully I'm praying that happens so that I can, because this is really like my life. Like, wow, I'm 20 years old and I'm really like, this is really scary. It's like hitting me in the face. But yeah, so like my biggest goal right now is getting that company up and running. Like, I'm really like focused on that. But because I'm in school, it's like slowing me down a little bit. But yeah, hopefully like within the next 6 months or so, I have that like up and running to where, you know, it's like prospering and doing well in that aspect. So we'll see. But yeah, that's my biggest goal right now. I'm not gonna sit here and say like every single goal because we would be here the entire day. But yeah, so that's my life goal. What sports do you play or have you played? I don't play sports. I've never played sports. I attempted to play sports in high school, but that did not work out. I was trying to play volleyball. And the real ones know. She's probably watching this right now. My dog, KK. It's my baby. Yeah, she used to play volleyball. She plays volleyball. And I would try to, you know, go to those things with her, like see how it is. Open gym sessions. Epic fail. Never, ever again. Oh yeah, and guys, I use Fenty Beauty foundation. It like matches my skin tone perfectly. So I found the one that matches me perfectly in 470. So that's what foundation I wear. What is your favorite movie? I would have to say Princess Diaries. Princess Diaries is my favorite movie. Definitely. Let's see how that. Wow, beautiful. But yeah, Princess Diaries 1 and 2. I could watch those all day. What are your favorite YouTubers? Oh wow. Top 5 are Shalom. I think her last name is Black or Blanc, something like that. Shalom. Then you have this girl named Kumani. Kimani Stevens or Stevenson or something like that. And then Aaliyah J, Diara and Ken. I love watching them. Like, I can sit there and watch them all day. And Jamie and Nikki. Those are my top 5 people that I like watch. I sat and I watched Jamie and Nikki every single day for the entire summer. I cannot make this up. I freaking love them. And then they like popped off, and their sister like popped off, and yeah. But Jamie and Nikki definitely like one of my faves. I love watching Aaliyah J too. She's funny. And yeah. Do you speak any languages, and how well? So if you can't tell, yes, I am Haitian. You probably couldn't tell, but according to my necklace, I speak Creole. I speak Creole. I do. There's a lot that I don't know though. Like, and when I do speak it, I kind of sound weird. I don't know how else to explain that, but yeah, I do speak Creole. I wish I like knew it as fluent as, you know, like my brother and my oldest brother and my oldest sister are like, they were born there. So like, I wish I could like not sound weird when I like spoke Creole, but I do. But no, like I will speak it for you guys one day. I will be on camera and I will be, or you guys will probably hear like my mom or my dad speaking it to me or something like that. But yeah, so I am Haitian and I do speak Creole and I do speak it fluently, kind of. What is your idea of your dream date? Oh, wow. I have to think about this one. Like, traveling with your loved one or your whoever is definitely a date. That's not just traveling, to me at least. So if you think of it that way. My I don't know if it's gonna ask me this, but my dream vacation spot is Nui Island in New Zealand. So beautiful and so slept on. Like, I know there's like celebrities that have gone to like New Zealand, but it's not really talked about like that. That's my dream vacation spot and dream date, being in New Zealand with